Hello everyone, thank you for clicking and welcome back to English with Becky. I am Rebecca. In this video, we're going to look at how to use have and has correctly. We use have for I, you, we, they. And we use has for he, she, it, and say any name, third person singular, right? So have, like I have a book, right? You have a book. We have, they have. She has beautiful hair, right? She has. He has a bike. He has. It has. Say you're talking about an animal or something, right? It has 4 legs. So we use has for third person singular. Don't try to keep the pronouns in your mind. Don't try to remember the pronouns. All you have to keep in mind is third person singular. Third person, first person I, right, the speaker. Second person you, the person you're talking to, and third person is the person you're talking about, right? So keep in mind third person singular. He, she, it, or it could be any name, as I said. So that's the simplest way you can keep in mind when to use has. And in a negative sentence, we use have for all the pronouns. I don't have, you don't have, we don't have, they don't have, and for third person singular it's again have, but the don't becomes doesn't. He doesn't have. We don't say he doesn't has or he don't has, right? Has becomes have in a negative sentence, but the helping verb that doesn't is doesn't. We use doesn't, we don't use don't, right? He doesn't have, she doesn't have, it doesn't have. So for a negative sentence, we use have for all the pronouns. For I, you, we, they, it's don't have. And for he, she, it, it's doesn't have. And now questions. With questions, again, we use have for all the pronouns. Like, do I have, do you have, right? And when we use have, it's not always about position, right? It's not always about owning something. It can be situations like, do I have to come, right? Or do you have, do we have, do they have, right? And for third person singular again, it's does. Does he have? Not has here, right? For negative and questions, it's have. Only the helping verb changes, right? The verb that comes before have. So does he have? Does she have? Does it have? So we use have for I, you, we, they, and has for he, she, it. That's third person singular. And in a negative sentence, I don't have, you don't have, we don't have, they don't have, and third person singular, it becomes doesn't have, right? And in the question, again same for third person singular, it becomes does he have, does she have, right? So it's as simple as that. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, kindly consider subscribing to the channel and also feel free to comment. I would love to hear from you. So well, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.